Of course we are.
Yeah, we're insane. You guys, this is crazy. I'm gonna show it to you again. We're here with Jason, who has lights on his boot. We're in the back of this line, and we're just gonna get on this ride best we can.
Yeah!
Turn around and run, you guys! What's the matter with y'all? I'm doing this so you don't have to. Yes, this crowd is just for Star Wars. I've seen bits and pieces of videos, but I haven't watched the whole ride video. I didn't go that far with it. We're just being patient and kind to everyone around us, and that's the best we can do. But I can't keep scoping like this, so let me get through this, and we'll come back to you from someplace more appropriate, okay?